Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to download and install Zoom on a laptop or PC. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Zoom is a web conferencing application. With it you can go and join and host meetings. So it's super useful to go and do this. Open up a web browser. I'm using Chrome, but it doesn't matter, and what you want to do is go and search for Zoom like so. You can then come to Zoom. On the site you need to scroll down to the bottom to the footer. There you'll go and see the download section, and you can click on Zoom Workplace app. Tap there. Now what we can do is scroll down and you can click on the download button. It won't take long. Once it's finished you can come out of your web browser and go and open up File Explorer. Come to the left and click on Downloads and go and find the installer. Double-click on it and then it all should go and start running. You can see it's starting to initialize and then it will go and start installing. As you can see, it was successful. It doesn't take long at all. You can then go and press done and Zoom should go and open up. As you can see, you can go and join a meeting where you can sign up or sign in. I've just gone and signed in and here we are. So we've got some different options here.